Good morning. Here are the latest political and sports updates from India for 6th April 2025. National political developments. Prime Minister Modi's visit to Sri Lanka strengthens bilateral ties on 5th April 2025. Prime Minister Narendra Modi concluded a significant two-day visit to Sri Lanka, marking the first such visit since President Anura Kumara Dissanayake assumed office in 2022. During this visit, India and Sri Lanka signed pivotal defence and energy agreements aimed at enhancing strategic and economic collaboration. A notable initiative includes the inauguration of a 120-megawatt solar power plant, reflecting India's commitment to supporting Sri Lanka's energy sector. These developments occur amidst regional concerns over China's expanding influence through substantial infrastructure investments in Sri Lanka. Additionally, India and the United Arab Emirates have agreed to jointly develop an energy hub in Trincomalee, further underscoring India's proactive engagement in the region. U.S. tariffs prompt calls for economic reforms in India. The recent imposition of tariffs by the United States has ignited discussions among Indian economists regarding the necessity for comprehensive economic reforms. Drawing parallels to the transformative changes of 1991, experts suggest that the current external pressures could serve as a catalyst for India to simplify and reduce tariff structures, thereby enhancing its participation in global trade. Sports updates. Ambitious goals set for India's sporting future. Union Sports Minister Mansukh Mandavia has articulated a visionary plan to elevate India's global sporting stature. The strategy aims to position India among the top 10 sporting nations by 2036 and further advance to the top 5 by 2047. This initiative emphasizes the crucial role of public-private partnerships in developing sustainable sports infrastructure and nurturing talent nationwide. India to host 2025 Para Athletics World Championships in a landmark achievement. New Delhi has been selected to host the 2025 Para Athletics World Championships from 26 September to 5 October at the Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium. This marks the first occasion that India will host this prestigious global para-sport event, with expectations of over 1,000 athletes from more than 100 countries participating. The event is anticipated to significantly boost the Paralympic movement within the country and promote inclusivity in sports. Khelo India Youth Games 2025 scheduled in Bihar. The upcoming edition of the Khelo India Youth Games is set to take place in Bihar. This decision aligns with the state's ongoing efforts to enhance sports infrastructure and promote athletic participation among the youth. The event aims to identify and nurture emerging sports talents, contributing to the broader national objective of sports development. Indian Cricket Team's 2025 England tour announced. The Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, has confirmed that the Indian cricket team will embark on a 5-match test series to England from 20th June to 4th August, 2025. The series will commence at Headingley in Leeds and will also feature matches at Edgbaston, Lord's, Old Trafford, and the Oval. This tour is part of the ICC World Test Championship cycle for 2025-27, adding significant competitive importance. India aims to secure its first Test series victory in England since 2007. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for future updates, and have a wonderful day ahead.